How much should you actually spend on a Dyson air purifier? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Dyson Hot Plus Cool HP07. The Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool HP07 caught my eye right away, mainly because it's not just an air purifier, it also heats and cools. At $549.99, it's on the pricier side. But if you want a multi-functional device that tackles air quality while keeping your space comfortable, this is worth a serious look. So why does this matter for you? Well, it automatically senses and captures pollutants, so you can breathe easier without worrying about dust or allergens. It uses HEPA H13 filtration, which means it captures even the tiniest particles. Plus, with air multiplier technology, it pushes purified air throughout the room, which is a game changer for larger spaces. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from 919 reviews, it's clear that many people find it effective. Now, some people complained about its price, saying it feels steep for an air purifier. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a device that also heats and cools, it might just save you money in the long run by replacing multiple machines. This is perfect for you if you want a 3-in-1 solution for air purification, heating, and cooling. Skip this one if you're looking for a basic air purifier without the extra features. For the value it offers, you're getting a lot here. Product number 2. Dyson Cool Formaldehyde TP09. Next up is the Dyson Purifier Cool Formaldehyde TP09, which I found fascinating because it actively detects and destroys formaldehyde. Priced at $499.99, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about air quality. If you want to ensure your home is free from harmful substances, this is worth a serious look. This purifier doesn't just trap pollutants, it actively destroys formaldehyde, a common indoor air contaminant released from furniture and household items. The 360 degrees filtration system captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, so you can trust that it's working hard. Plus, it operates quietly and features the My Dyson app for remote monitoring, giving you peace of mind. With a rating of 4.1 stars from 410 reviews, many users appreciate its effectiveness. Some users mentioned that while the features are impressive, the noise level could still be lower. But honestly, in night mode, it runs quietly, so for light sleepers, it's still manageable. This is perfect for you if you're particularly concerned about formaldehyde and want a reliable purifier. Skip this one if you need something silent all the time. For its unique features, the price is justified. Product number 3. Dyson Cool PC1. Moving on, we have the Dyson Purifier Cool PC1. This one caught my attention for its bladeless design and powerful airflow for $539. If you want an air purifier that also doubles as a stylish fan, this is worth a serious look. What's cool about this model is its fully sealed filter system that combines activated carbon for gas removal and a HEPA filter for allergens. That means it can capture odors and allergens effectively, perfect for pet owners or those who love cooking. It also has smooth oscillation up to 350 degrees, directing airflow where you need it, which is really nice during those hot summer days. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 173 reviews, it's proven to be quite popular. Now, some users have noted that while the design is sleek, it might not be powerful enough for larger rooms. Here's the thing though, if you're in a medium-sized space, its airflow should be more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, efficient air purifier and fan combo. Skip this one if you need something that can handle a very large area. For the design and features, it's fairly priced. Product number 4. Dyson Cool TP07. Next, we have the Dyson Purifier Cool TP07. I was intrigued by its powerful purification capabilities, especially at $599.99. If effective air purification is your top priority, this is worth a serious look. This model features HEPA H13 filtration, capturing even the smallest pollutants for cleaner air. It also uses air multiplier technology to effectively circulate air throughout the room. With real-time air quality monitoring and notifications through the My Dyson app, You're always in the know about your air quality. Rated at 4.3 stars with 607 reviews, it's clear many users trust this product. Some users have pointed out that it can take a while to cool down a room. But honestly, if clean air is your main concern, the purification features far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a highly effective air purifier that keeps you informed. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically designed for rapid cooling. For its performance, it's a bit of an investment, but worth it for clean air. Product number 5, Dyson Hot Plus Cool HP1. Finally, we have the Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool HP1. This one's appealing for its efficient heating and cooling capabilities, priced at $599. If you're looking for a year-round solution to air quality and temperature control, this is worth a serious look. Just like the HP07, it features a fully sealed filter system with HEPA filtration, ensuring maximum air quality. It also captures 97% of odors, which is perfect if you have pets or cook frequently. The air multiplier technology ensures that airflow is smooth and powerful, keeping your space comfortable. Rated at 4.3 stars from 169 reviews, many users love its multi-functionality. However, some feedback mentioned that it can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you value performance and versatility, that bulkiness might be a small price to pay for year-round comfort. This is perfect for you if you need an all-in-one solution for heating, cooling, and purification. Skip this one if you're tight on space. For what it offers, it's a great investment. In summary, we've covered some amazing Dyson air purifiers, from the multifunctional Hot Plus Cool HP07 to the specialized Cool Formaldehyde TP09, the stylish Cool PC1, the super effective Cool TP07, and the versatile Hot Plus Cool HP1. Depending on your needs and budget, there's definitely a Dyson purifier that can help you breathe easier and live healthier.